Hello friends, welcome back. In today's video we are going to see how to install VS Code extension for STM32CUBE IDE in VS Code and how to build and flash STM project. So open VS Code and go to extensions icons. Click here and search STM32CUBE IDE. Click here. Click on Install. Installation process is going on and it may take a while. Installation is complete. Here are the extension packs. Click here on this icon which is of STM32CUBE. Now launch STM32 MX. To generate STM project. Click here on MCU selector. Enter part name over here. Now start project. Click on sys and set debug as serial. Click on GPIO and set GPIO cpin 13 as output. No change in clock config. In Project Manager, give the project name. I am using this folder. Now choose CMake here. Now generate code. The project is created. Now open folder. See the files generated here. We switch to VS Code IDE. You can install ST-Link USB drivers from here. Now go to File and open Project folder. Click on Core then SRC. And open main file. Click on Yes to config CMake. As STM32 project here. Let us now try to build the project. Now project is built and see here the memory map. Connect ST-Link to your machine as we are going to flash the code. Click on Start Debugging and choose ST-Link GDB server. Now we'll add code to blink GPIO LED pin. We will use HAL GPIO toggle API. Build the project. We pause the debug process. Start debug process. Click on Continue. See LED blinking on the board. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, then hit like button. Please share and subscribe and comment. Thanks again and have a good time.